Sunjo SPX 3000 XTI Xtream Pressure Washer. Light-duty washing doesn't get much more inexpensive or portable than this compact pressure washer. For your money, you get a foaming soap dispenser and 2 cleaning brushes. One for general use and the other designed to clean automotive wheels. Plus, you get a full set of 4 nozzles, with user-friendly, quick connect capability. The machine's ergonomics are also solid. The hose outlets, on-off switch, and carrying handle are well-shaped and located to make this little machine easy to use. But it tips over easily on grass or other uneven surfaces due to its small wheels and vertical configuration, so it's best confined to working on pavement. We worked the SPX 3000 harder than a homeowner probably would, and found its cord and GFCI were quite warm when we were done. There's only so much these small machines can withstand when you run them relentlessly on a summer day, with temperatures hovering between 80 and 90 degrees. SIMPSON Cleaning PS 3228 PowerShot Gas Pressure Washer. Although we don't have hands-on experience with this exact model, former, and now retired, senior home editor Roy Berenson did run a very similar version, the SIMPSON MegaShot MSH 3125 Pressure Washer, through a rigorous testing process. And he was impressed with the machine's combination of both quality and power. A Honda engine is one hallmark of a high-quality gas-powered pressure washer. And this model's GX200 engine has enough power to generate 3,300 psi and 2.5 GPM. This engine also automatically shuts down if the oil level gets too low, preventing serious damage, and also comes with a 3-year warranty. The non-marring hose is abrasion-resistant, which helps extend its lifespan. But we did find SIMPSON hoses to be especially stiff, and take some time to break in. CRAFTSMAN CMEPW 2100 Electric Pressure Washer. This is a light, easy-to-handle machine with adequate power for mid-duty jobs. We particularly appreciated the whopper of a power cord, which measures 35 feet long. That's about 10 feet longer than average. Combined with the large 10-inch wheels and wide top-mounted handle, these features make the CRAFTSMAN especially mobile. The large, easy-access detergent tank on top of the machine is removable for easy cleaning when you're finished. Of all the nozzles we tried on this model, we had the best results with the turbo, rotating blast. It proved particularly adept at cleaning concrete. A final design detail that we really like is its slide-on spray wand mount. This prevents the gun from being knocked off during transport, an annoying issue with lower-quality machines. DeWalt DWPW 3000 Compact Pressure Washer. This DeWalt pressure washer provides nearly as much PSI as our top gas-powered pick, but without the noise and maintenance requirements of a CAR engine. Its suitcase-style design features 2 wheels, a telescoping handle, and multiple grab handles for convenient transport. Berenson appreciated how easy the hose was to store on the unit itself, and there are helpful storage areas for the spray gun, nozzle tips, and a molded compartment for the included foam cannon. While the high PSI is well suited for blasting off stubborn grit and grime, the relatively low GPM means it's not as practical for heavy rinsing jobs. Greenworks 3000 SI Brushless Electric Pressure Washer. For those who prefer not to handle the heaviness and upkeep associated with a gas pressure washer, we recommend this electric model from Greenworks. For one of our testing sessions, we used this pressure washer to tackle a wooden deck that hadn't been thoroughly cleaned in 3 years. The deck was covered in thick dirt, grime, fallen leaves, and garden debris. Less than 20 minutes later, the deck looked great. We were highly impressed with how quickly and easily this pressure washer blasted away the grunge. However, it's worth noting that we first used the highest pressure nozzle, which was so powerful that it actually slightly damaged the wood. Once we switched to a lower pressure nozzle, it was all smooth sailing. Electric pressure washers like this one are ideal for the typical around-the-house cleaning projects undertaken by the average DIYer, such as hosing down a grungy driveway, cleaning outdoor furniture, or even getting the exterior of your home ready to paint. We also tested the pressure washer on our driveway. We liked the 35-foot power cord and 25-foot water hose, which together gave us plenty of room to maneuver. This pressure washer comes with 5 nozzle soap dispensing, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and turbo. While all of them performed well, we found that the extra cleaning power of the turbo nozzle made the biggest difference in removing grunge and stains from the pavement. There's an onboard soap tank, which comes in handy for projects like washing cars or boats. With a maximum of 3,000 psi of water pressure at a top flow of 2.0 GPM, this is a powerful tool that's able to handle even tough cleaning projects around your property or business. Thanks to its 2 back wheels, it's also easy to move around, and once you finish cleaning, it stores vertically for less foot space.